Hello everyone, now we are going to solve the next question on the design of the flywheel rim. In this question it is written as, in a flywheel the safe stress is 25.2 meganewton per meter square and the density is 7 gram per centimeter cube. Then what is the maximum peripheral speed? That means the maximum peripheral velocity we need to calculate. We all know the formula. First we need to write the formula. Okay, so that is v is equal to under root of sigma upon density. Sigma denoted as hook stress. The maximum value of sigma would be the bearing strength of the flywheel. Here in the question it is considered as a self stress. That means sigma maximum is 25.2 and corresponding to sigma maximum there will be a maximum peripheral velocity. Okay, so we just have to write it down the value. But the important thing is that in this question, which math is a little bit complicated, you just have to make units same for sigma and density. This is 25.2 meganewton per meter square. You can write it as newton per meter square. You just have to multiply with the 10 to power 6 because we just want to expand the mega. Okay, mega 1 mega is nothing but the 10 to power 6. Okay, so 25.2 multiplied 10 to power 6 upon density, and density is 7 gram per centimeter cube. Either you can convert newton per meter according to gram per centimeter cube. That is a little bit complicated, so we just have to convert gram per centimeter cube into kilogram per meter cube. That is easy to convert. So 7 gram per centimeter cube means you just have to convert gram into kilogram. You just have to divide by 1000, and when you are going to convert centimeter cube into meter cube, you just have to multiply with 10 to power 6 and you will get kilogram per meter cube. That is the unit of density. Okay, so that would be cancel out, and when you do the calculations you'll get the final answer and you will get the 60 value. That means velocity is equal to 60 meter per second. 60 meter per second. Okay, that is the answer, and according to options, option C would be the correct answer. Okay, these type of questions generally they ask in the public sector examinations, that means state PSCs examinations. So in the state PSCs examinations, you know that there is no calculator they allowed. So you just have to find out the approximate value. If you get approximately, you will not get closer options. Okay, so if you get the approximate value, you will get the correct answer. Don't worry about it. If you don't get the calculator in the examinations, just find out the approximate value and you will get the correct answer. Okay, so for these questions, option C is the correct answer. And this type of questions based on the design of the flywheel ring, you just have to learn the formula first of all. Okay, then we can rearrange the questions, rearrange the terms according to the questions. But the first of the things is that you must remember the formula, that is v is equal to under root of sigma upon rho. Okay, and don't forget to make the unit same, because the unit plays important role in the integer types of questions and in the gate examinations, because time is less and the questions cannot be complicated. Okay, so they will rearrange the questions like that. They will add something that you will not get within a short time. That means they can change the units of the data. Okay, so you must have to focus on the things carefully. Okay, and when you give the answer, final answer, then you'll get in the, when you solve the questions and you'll get the final answer. Before putting the final answer in the options or the comment, just read the questions again, in what unit it is asking the value that you are going to put in. Okay, because the sometimes they will give you units in SI units, but sometimes they will ask you the questions in CGS. Okay, that means centimeter per second, like that. So just read the questions and just revise the unit of the questions. Okay, suppose in this question the velocity is in meter per second. However, there are four options, so you will not get confused. But sometimes integer types questions they will ask you. Okay, and either they will not give you the units, so you just have to use the normal units, that means meter per second. But if sometimes they will give you the units, that means find out the velocity in centimeter per second, so you just have to be careful about that. Okay, this is a small mistakes that most of the students can do. So basically you don't know how to attempt the paper carefully. Okay, you all know the concept, you have practiced a lot of questions, but if you don't know how to attempt the paper, there is no use of those practice questions. Okay, because number of questions, that means you more than 2000 questions practice you can do within 2 to 3 months. But if you don't know how to attempt and if you don't alert about the questions, you will make a mistake, you will get an error. Okay, that means you are able to get the 70 marks, but you are not getting 70, you are getting 60 or 65, like that, just because the error you are making in the examinations, not because you are conceptually weak, you are conceptually strong, but these types of error reduce your marks in the examinations. Okay, so you just have to practice a lot of questions and you just have to be consider the error that you will get during the practice. Okay, don't repeat the mistakes again and again, that is the best thing to learn. Okay, so thank you.